let's create this type of animation. Delete everything and import a simple plane. Now go to the geometry node editor, click new and delete this one, group import input, and bring a grid node, one cylinder node, and one instance on points. Okay, now connect all these from mesh to points, and here from mesh to instance, and this one here in geometry. Okay, you can see the result over here. Now simply bring one color ramp and one image texture. Now you have to bring one vector math node. Okay, like this one, place it over here and bring one position node like this. Now you have to connect all these things together, like this, and vector into the vector, sorry, and color into the effect node, and this color go to the scale. One more thing, if you want some material in your object or in your animation, you have to bring one set material node. Okay, and place it over here. Now last thing what you have to do, simply you have to bring one group input, this one, place it over here and connect this one here and here. Okay, now simply duplicate this one, put it over here and connect these like this. Okay, this is the setup you have to arrange. Make sure, yeah, let me enlarge this window for you. Okay, you can take a screenshot of this, or what I can do, I can simply upload this file to my drive and share the link in the description, so you don't have to create this one and you can simply download. Okay, now the second thing you need an image. Okay, you can use any image you want. I have these three images here. You can use any image, any colored image you want, but if you want some better result or good result, I will recommend you to use any vector art or any image which is in black and white color. Okay, okay, for now I'm using this image. What I will do, I will simply import it over here, or you can simply open it by here. But for now, what I will do, I will connect it over here and connect this over here and delete this one. Okay, your setup is almost ready. Now what you have to do, you have to go to the modifier panel and switch this vertex X to a higher value, like maybe 150, enter, and bring this down to like 3, and radius put it 0.005 and depth 0.05. Okay, if I zoom in, you can see we already having our effect. One thing you have to do, simply you have to change these values like this, set it up to 0.5 for all, and you will get your result. Okay, your animation is almost ready. What you have to do now, you can simply go to the timeline, go to the frame 1 and make this 0 and add a keyframe by I, and now go to the frame 60 and add a keyframe at 150 over here. Okay, what will happen if I play the animation, you can see your animation is ready. Now you can simply add material over here, or you can also add some lights to get better result. Okay, let me turn off this light and add a simple light, area light. Okay, bring it over here like this and move it like this, and make it red. Bring the power down like 5 and duplicate this one more time and make it like blue. Okay, so this is your animation. Now what you have to do, you have to simply add the camera and then you can simply play the animation.